What's up everyone? Welcome back to this channel. Yes, the title of the video is correct. I quit, but I don't quit what you think I quit. This video is made for people who started following me way back when I started doing the first videos on YouTube, and they were about no code, okay? How to create applications without coding, all right? And I did this because I started doing the European hackathon called EU versus Virus. I was the co-organizer of that event. It was a massive event with over 25,000 participants. And I had to make it happen, okay? And the way I made it happen is with no code because I didn't have time to develop. I mean, I can develop, but there was no time. There was no budget as well. It was crazy. It was the biggest hackathon in the world, and I made it happen only because there are no code tools that help me make this happen. Mainly it was Bubble and Airtable. So then I started making videos because it helped me to actually achieve real life value, okay? Basically organizing everyone in the EU to come together for this hackathon with no code tools. So I thought, wait a minute, if I can do this stuff, I can teach other people how to do the same thing. Well, cool. And that's exactly what I did. And that's why you subscribed. And with your help, I went from 0 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers faster than I have imagined. And I went to 500,000 views also faster than I had imagined. I started monetizing the channel. Yes, it doesn't make a lot of money, but still, it was a massive achievement. And right now we are at almost 20,000 subscribers. And I have to say, massive thank you that you have helped me come that far. Yes, it's still a small channel, but man, I was afraid starting this channel in the beginning, and you all gave me the energy to continue and to come that far. And the channel name was my own name because I knew that what if I change my focus in the future, and you already know where this is going, right? What if I change my focus, okay? What if I talk about other things in the future? Because I'm a human, I'm changing, what I like. I'm changing also every day, right? Now I have changed from no code to crypto. Well, kind of. It's still no code trade automation. Let me explain, okay? So when I was doing no code, right, I got a lot of emails from people. I still get a lot of emails from people. Can you help me build my app? Can you help me this and that, right? I want to build something like Instagram, like Uber, like Tinder, like God knows what, okay? And I love to help people. Like, it makes me super happy to help people. That's my purpose, okay? I want to help people. That's it, okay? The thing is that I found 2 problems. The first problem was that I couldn't help people as much as I wanted because the no-code tools are still limited. You cannot build everything you want, as much as I love to do that. So building something like TikTok is very hard. Building something like Uber with the GPS coordinates is very hard, and so on and so on. People have very creative ideas, and always I had to tell them it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You have to put in like a plugin, you have to code it. But then that's what I wanted to avoid, right? To code something. And then people wanted me to create plugins for them, but then they didn't have funds to pay for my time investment. And that's the second thing, right? There was no money in this space. I couldn't make a living out of doing this, right? So it's a bit weird when I invest a lot of time and I add a lot of value to people's lives and projects, but then I don't really get anything for that, right? So you see what I mean? Like, if I want to make a living out of it, to have my hobby and my passion being something I can live off of, that was not it, okay? At some point, I was even free tech support for these other no-code tools. And the funny thing is, they even saw that and they asked me if I want to work for them because I was constantly answering questions that people sent me because I was more available than their tech support. So basically, I just went back to doing what I do best, which was to be CTO or VP of engineering at some business and helping them build their tech teams, their infrastructure, saving costs, all these things, right? Cool. I just had a normal job, right? But in the background, I was already in crypto. I was investing in Bitcoin, and I was then also later on investing in Avalanche, okay? So I was automating my trades. But how did I automate them? With no code, right? Because I already knew how that works. I didn't even want to develop anything myself because I knew it's easier to use Make. Back then it was called Integromat to make that happen, right? And that was the moment for me when I realized I can actually help people to automate trading strategies using no-code tools. Right? So it's not no code in general, but it's no code applied on trading strategies in crypto. Okay. And that is a niche which is very interesting because I can help a massive amount of people, because most people lose money when they invest in crypto. But if they follow the process that I tell them on this YouTube channel and I teach as well, they have a higher chance of success. And many people are already very happy that I was able to help them with my automation tips and tricks and strategies. Okay. So I can actually help people. Okay. And they actually have money to pay me for my time investment. Okay, and that's cool, right? That's a very nice combination of value and being able to live from that, right? And I love that, okay? That's basically what I want, okay? So yes, I'm still addicted to coffee. It's still coffee time, by the way. I love that stuff. But now I'm talking about crypto investments and trading strategies, and especially trend following strategies, okay? Which is super unique and almost nobody's talking about this. That's why I'm doing this. There are people talking about this, okay? Don't get me wrong, yes? But the way I do it is completely unique because I show people how to automate these strategies because people don't have time. Okay, they don't have time, they have a life, they have a job, they have vacation, they have stress, they don't have time, and that's why they miss out and lose. So I think I can help a lot of people. Actually, I can help 95% of all crypto retail investors, which are actually losing money right now because they don't know what they're doing. But once they watch my YouTube channel, once they get into understanding what I actually do and how easy it can be for them to use no-code tools to automate the strategies that I show them and that they find online and how to evaluate them, okay? Don't just use a random strategy, okay? Just you need to know how to evaluate it, but okay, watch my videos. Now, what I'm telling you is that I have to quit no-code, all right? I have to quit doing videos about, where's that thing? I have to quit videos about no-code in general, like in general no code, how to build an app like Instagram, how to build Facebook or something like this, right? I'm not going to talk about this anymore because like I said, yes, people need this, but there is no money in that. I cannot live from that, okay? I want to have something that I can live from. I want to make a living, okay? So I want to have something that helps people and where people can actually pay me for helping them. Make sense? Okay, cool. That's why on this channel, I'm going to talk about trade automation. I even developed my own software, okay? It's called Signum. It's a no-code tool for automating your trades, okay? I will show you on the screen right now. It's not yet fully open for everybody, but it's open for auto trading members. I will open it up. You can create an account in a couple of weeks and then you can just use it. It's all, software as a service. So I'm going very far into this, okay? Not just videos, but offering everything, a full ecosystem of what is necessary in order to automate your trades for the long term. I'm not talking about high frequency, not talking about scalping, if you know what I mean, right? I'm not talking about that. Forget that. Those people lose money, okay? I don't care. I want to help people automate for many years to come, okay? Which is trend following strategies, trend following technology that helps them to make exactly that happen. And I have my process that works very well. And I create software and courses and videos around that, to teach people exactly what I do and to make it even easier for me, but also for them, which is why I've created Signum to make this happen. Okay, long story short, I quit no-code and I go into using no-code tools, building no-code tools for crypto to automate strategies, okay? Now, if you care about that, obviously stay subscribed, right? If you don't care about that, maybe you want to unsubscribe. I don't want to lose you, okay? But I have to be honest. And it's hard to say this stuff. Actually, I was even afraid to make this video at all. But I have to be honest about this. And the YouTube algorithm does not like if there are two different type of people clicking on the videos wanting completely different things. And I know it's my fault. I should have maybe created a completely new channel and then move everyone over who is interested in the topic. And honestly, that would have been much better, I guess. But I was afraid, okay? Afraid of starting from zero, okay? Having 0 subscribers, 0 feedback, 0 visibility. Man, like it's not easy, okay? So if you don't care about this topic whatsoever, you don't want to learn about it, you don't want to hear anything I'm saying, okay, fine. Then I think I lost a subscriber. But if you want to learn about this stuff, okay? If you think that what I said so far is interesting and you want to actually get better in this, then watch one of my 2 playlists, okay? Either you watch the crypto news, which is almost daily videos about what's happening in the market, but even more important, you watch the second one, which is the algorithmic trading knowledge playlist, where I put all the knowledge that I want to share with everyone in that playlist. Super important stuff, okay? And life-changing videos. I guarantee you that. So in that case, stay subscribed. But if you are new around here and you see this video wondering what is happening, then just simply close the video, like it first, and go and watch one of these playlists I just mentioned before. And for everyone else, if you stay subscribed, I guarantee you high quality content on algorithmic trading in crypto, life-changing knowledge that I will share here, okay? So if you stay subscribed, you will not regret it whatsoever, okay? So I love to have you. I value each and every one of you guys and girls, and I would love to have you on my channel, in my comments for a long time, Okay, so that's why I make this video. It's not easy for me because I don't want to lose any of you. And with all of that said, get your coffee and watch this video next, where you learn how to automate the trading strategy to fully automatically buy and sell on your exchange. That is the life-changing content I'm talking about. I see you over there. Coffee time. Cheers.